we need to put 3 tablespoons of butter in the bowl. Then after that, you melt it up into the microwave.
Yes, but what are we going to do? What are we making?
We're making bonbons.
What kind of bonbons?
Chocolate, peanut butter and chocolate.
They're like Reese's Pieces? Now we are going to
pour the
peanut butter into the bowl. Ooh, goopy. Looks like the thing's pooping. Is it pooping, Camila?
Yes.
It's pooping peanut butter.
It's pooping peanut butter. It's not for real. It's just peanut butter going into the bowl.
Well, this is Camila Sequoia Lacave, and she is making bonbons with peanut butter bonbons. Ladybugs?
Yes, I do. Ladybugs are so cute. I'm going to marry them.
Well, because I see you have a ladybug on your apron.
What?
I see you have a ladybug on your apron.
I know.
So what are you doing now, Camila?
Now I'm putting the mix into the bowl.
Let's look at... That looks like the person just went... What? That's mix. Does powder ever come out of a human body?
No, fortunately not. Okay, now mix it.
Oh man!
Now I'm mixing it.
Now she's mixing.
It's when I'm mixing right now. And after when I'm done doing it, we're gonna put it in the fridge.
Okay.
To let rest.
Okay, well.
We're gonna put the chocolate into here. After we put chocolate, we're putting half of the chocolate. After we put half of the chocolate, we're gonna put the bowl in the microwave and microwave it until it melts. A little ball. Then we dip it into the chocolate. After that, we put it on a tray, then put it in the fridge.
Okay. So that sounds easy. Well, Camila, why are you eating chocolate? Oh,